You know what's really crazy to me? The garden's generosity. It's like we had this crazy storm this morning, really powerful winds. It rained like crazy. I thought for sure anything that hadn't already been killed off by the frost in the garden is gonna be long gone. And we're out of power. The wind knocked out our power. And Wyatt and I are just kind of hanging out and enjoying the quiet and the silence. And I come out here to just kind of putter around and take a look at my garden, and I find 5 more beautiful ears of corn. It's me thinking about how generous the garden is and how we put a little bit of ourselves into it, and it just gives and gives and gives. And just when you think there's nothing left for it to give, it gives some more. And how wonderful it would be to be more like the garden, to be so selfless with ourselves that we could give to each other in that capacity. I just find it really inspiring. Well, that is a real nice sight to see. So I talked about this on my Instagram post the other day, but normally the end of the summer, the beginning of the fall, once we've had that first frost and everything starts to die, I would feel really sad. Sad that the growing season is over, sad knowing what winters in Maine have in store for us up here. Lots of snow and lots of cold and lots of just kind of being cooped up in the house. And normally that would really bum me out, but something about this year, I am just feeling very at peace about it. I'm ready for fires in the wood stove. I'm ready to slow down and rest a little bit. This is the first year that I've really been overwhelmed by harvest, really feeling like I was not prepared. I did not have all my skills lined up for preserving all that food, but just really thankful for it. And I'm thankful for a change in seasons and a change in pace. It's sad to see everything in the garden dead like that, but it makes me excited to just curl up with a seed catalog in my lap and a hot cup of coffee and dream about what next summer will bring. I am certain, however, that the chickens are not looking forward to winter. Brings a whole new meaning to the term cooped up, doesn't it, girls? Yeah. I said we had some pretty crazy wind, and I was not kidding. Uh-oh, what happened to that tree? Oh no.
Down.
It fell down.
Up.
Yeah, it was up and now it fell down.
E.
Poor tree. Oh.
Oh.
You gonna put it back?
Yeah.
No, I don't think we can put him back. Poor tree. The wind was so crazy this morning, and Nate and I were having our coffee, and it was still very early, and we heard this huge boom, and I was like, is that thunder? Pretty sure it was a tree. It was not this tree, because we looked all around to see if we could see which tree had fallen, but it was something out in the woods. There's a lot of them that you can see are just kind of knocked over. and being held up by the other trees, but this one must have fallen after we left the house for Wyatt's doctor's appointment this morning, which is a bummer, and it's just another thing that we have to clean up. Ooh, slug. Ew. Slug. Don't touch it yet. Such a boy.
Away.
Oh, whoa. You're so strong.
Away.
You gonna clean this up? Yeah. What?
Yeah.
Are you inside the tree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you want to sit on it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here, sit right here.
Yay.
Hold on to the tree.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Boom, boom, boom,
Brum, brum, brum. You a crazy boy? Thanks for taking this little walk around the homestead with me tonight. Please give us a subscribe to help us grow our channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.